Hi there, my name is Catherine Stott and I am the owner and founder of Archetype Copywriting. We've been working in digital marketing since 2007 and we help small to medium-sized businesses gain momentum online. We help you leverage your authority, we help you generate leads, and we do it all using SEO, outreach, and content. Not many people know that when you publish an article online, if you press publish on your blog, it doesn't mean that that article is now available on the World Wide Web. It doesn't mean that it's magically going to appear in search engine results pages. There are certain steps that you need to take in order to get your content, first of all, crawled by Google and other search engines, and then indexed so that it can actually appear in search engine results pages. If you haven't got a Search Console, Google Search Console account set up, it's time you do that. If you have a website and you are publishing content on the regular and you do not have a Google Search Console account connected to your website, you need to do that today. So go to Google Search Console, you can just Google it and it'll come up, and set up an account and link it to your website. You can just follow the steps. And once you've done that, request for your website to be indexed within Google Search Console. If you're not sure how to do that, I'm going to show you in a few very simple steps. Hold that thought. I'm going to show you how to get your content crawled and hopefully indexed in a few simple steps. Once you've got your Google Search Console account set up, it'll probably look a little bit different to mine because mine already has some properties set up. But you will have to add a property. So you're going to add a property and add in your URL here, including the HTTPS, and click on continue. Now, once you've done this, you're going to be taken into a verification process. If Google has a way to verify that you are the owner, either through Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics or some other way, then your website will become verified straight away and you'll get a little green box and a tick and you'll be well on your way. If they cannot verify that you are the owner, you'll be presented with about 4 different options to verify through. You can either verify through Google Analytics Tag Manager. There's another way that I never use, or there is a meta tag that you can put into the head of your code, which is usually the most reliable. So once you have verified the website, you will get to a dashboard that looks something like this. Now, this is a new website, so there is 0 performance. But the first thing that you're going to do is click on sitemaps, and you're going to have to add your XML sitemap. It's usually located at this location, sitemap.xml. So you would type sitemap.xml in there and click on submit, and then Google will try and crawl that and see if it is available. And then through that, they can pick up all of the different pages within your URL. If you don't have a sitemap and you don't know how to get a sitemap, that is another step for another day. But for today, I'm going to just be showing you how you can inspect any URL within your property and submit it for consideration in terms of being crawled and indexed. So you will just type in the URL that you want to inspect. So I'm just going to use the home page, and you hit enter, and then Google will go through the process of identifying whether or not this URL can be crawled or indexed. So you'll see that this one gets a lovely big fat green tick, which is always a good sign. If this is grayed out and it says that the URL is not in Google, you will just click this button here that says request indexing, and your request will be submitted. It can be almost immediate and can take less than an hour. It can take a few days. So check back in a few days and then just do the same thing again. Put the URL here, hit enter, and just see if it has been indexed. You can obviously resubmit that request, but if it keeps on coming back with a negative, perhaps there's something in your content that needs attention. If it's not worthy of being on the World Wide Web, then they won't index it. So you'll need to just check up on your content if you keep on getting a negative result. I hope that this has helped you in some way. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope that you have learned something today. I know that for SEO gurus out there, this is SEO 101, but you're not my target audience. I don't need to help you. You definitely don't need help. I really want to help those small to medium-sized businesses who just don't know what they need to do to get started. So let me know if this has been useful for you. Have a lovely day.